Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious enchiladas in a crock pot. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 pound of cooked chicken, 2 cans of your favorite enchilada sauce, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Don't forget a small onion and 2 cloves of garlic for that extra zest. Lightly grease your slow cooker and warm 8 to 10 tortillas so they are easy to roll. Now let's assemble these tasty enchiladas. Combine your cooked chicken with about half a can of enchilada sauce, the diced onion, and minced garlic. Take each warm tortilla and spoon approximately 1/4 cup of this flavorful chicken mixture down the center. Add a little shredded cheese, then carefully roll each tortilla tightly. Place them seam side down in your prepared slow cooker. It's time for the magic of slow cooking. Pour the remaining 1½ cans of enchilada sauce evenly over all the rolled enchiladas in your crock pot. Then, generously sprinkle the rest of your shredded cheese over the top. Cover your slow cooker and let it cook on low for about 3 to 4 hours, or on high for 2 hours. They are perfect when the cheese is melted and bubbly. Your delicious crock pot enchiladas are now ready to enjoy. Carefully remove them from the slow cooker using a spatula. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some sliced avocado. Serve these comforting enchiladas immediately with a side of rice and beans for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.